The small overlap front crash test that we introduced in 2012 is still a hurdle for many vehicle designs. That's the case for 3 of the 6 large cars that we recently tested. The top performers in this series are the new Lincoln Continental, the redesigned Mercedes-Benz E-Class, and the Toyota Avalon. All 3 earn an IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus award. The other 3 cars, the Chevrolet Impala, the Ford Taurus, and the Tesla Model S, fall short of the requirements for a Top Safety Pick award. The Top Safety Pick Plus award recognizes vehicles with state-of-the-art safety. They earn good ratings in all 5 of our crashworthiness tests. They're available with a front crash prevention system rated superior or advanced, and they come with good or acceptable headlight systems. This is the second time we've tested the Tesla Model S for front small overlap protection. In the first test, the safety belt allowed the dummy to move too far forward, and its head struck the steering wheel hard through the airbag. Tesla tried to fix the problem for vehicles built after January of this year, but in our second test, the dummy's head still struck the steering wheel hard. Even though the structures are the same, there's much more intrusion into the driver's space in the second test, and that extended into the battery case, although not in an area where battery cells are located. Headlights are an important safety feature. For 2017, we're requiring good or acceptable rated headlights to earn the Top Safety Pick Plus award. We're starting to see changes in response to our headlight ratings. All of the headlights available on the Mercedes E-Class are rated acceptable or good. And Toyota made improvements to the limited and hybrid limited lines of the Avalon to earn acceptable ratings. Headlights shouldn't compromise safety, and we're pleased to see that automakers are making changes in response to our ratings.